Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add devices in Google Home. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that, all you have to do is simply first of all access your Google Home app on your mobile phone. After you have done so, you will be able to find this kind of interface here in this home section, which includes a favorites option below. If you would like to simply add a device on your existing home, all you have to do is simply go to this devices section and first complete your home setup, right? Do not skip any of the important steps and simply complete it. Once you have done so, you will be able to find the devices. It will detect automatically, or if you would like to manually add, all you have to do is tap on this add device option. Here in this section you're gonna simply go ahead, choose the new device option on top, and if you would like to add it to another home you can do that, or otherwise choose a particular home and tap on this next. Now over here it will ask you for you to simply turn on the Bluetooth, which will have to be same for your device as well. Tap on this turn on and allow all of the permissions. So you can see once you have done so, you can see Bluetooth access is needed to improve the connection to your device, determine your location during setup, and discover and set up nearby device. So simply it is searching for the nearby devices to be connected. Once you have found that device, all you have to do is tap on it and simply choose to tap on the setup option. You will be able to set up that particular device right there on your Google Home just likewise. Make sure to turn on the Bluetooth for both the device and your phone. So that is the basically way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.